One of the issues for the Ford Lightning is there's no protection for the radiator from small rocks, debris. I imagine that would be a fairly expensive repair or replacement. I've worked with the Radiator Grille store to design basically a forward grill that would provide some protection for the radiator. I think it's fairly easy installation. You're going to utilize some zip ties, and there are 4 snaps that hold this plastic piece onto the body portions of the truck that these zip ties will then go through. You place 1 zip tie loop on the front anywhere. This is mainly just a handle, so bear with me. This part is going to be it's easy, but it's, I think, a little more difficult to relay on the camera. So you're simply just placing this into this area. Once again, you're going to want these zip ties, this portion forward where you can get a handle on it. This is where it might require more than one person. Goes up. This is where that handle comes in handy. You're actually going to pull it down. There's a small channel in the bottom area. This fits right into that channel. That's going to hold and lock in the bottom portion. Now it's just a matter of feeding these through those tabs. I apologize, I'm not going to be able to really show that to you on the camera, but if you'll bear with me. So we've run all 4 tabs through. Now we just need to tighten the zip ties, and we'll do this a little bit on each zip tie just to keep the new grill centered properly. So I've tightened the 2 outer zip ties first, just to try to keep everything evenly spaced left and right side. And now I'll simply tighten the middle 2, just to help continue to lock this in. These zip ties do get twisted a little bit, so if it's not locking in, it's probably because the zip tie is twisted. Okay. I think it also adds a nice touch, a nice look to the front of the Ford Lightning. And thank you. A special thanks to my daughter, Catherine, for filming this in the rain. Thank you, Catherine. You guys have a good day.